Hey there, Matt McCoy here. Now, if you're like me, you've probably accumulated a few things over the years. Furniture, appliances, electronics, and personal items that are all important to you. And if any of it is ever damaged or stolen, personal property coverage from the Hartford can help cover the cost of replacing those things in a couple of different ways. One way is called actual cash value, which covers an item's depreciated value at the time of loss. So if your 5-year-old TV is only worth $600 today, that's what you'll be reimbursed, minus your deductible. Another way is by adding replacement cost coverage to your personal property coverage from the Hartford. With replacement cost coverage, if that same TV is stolen, you would get the replacement value of a comparable current TV when replaced, not the $600 your old TV is actually worth today. If you want extra protection for your more expensive valuables, the Hartford offers additional coverage specifically for these items. With the Hartford, you are covered in the event of a loss at home or while you're traveling. Contact the Hartford to help you determine the personal property coverage that's just right for you.